One of the things I love most about mini quilts is that they give us a chance to learn something new without committing to a huge project. And that's exactly what the Light in the Dark mini class is about. So this is a confident beginner project, and it only measures 14 inches by 14 inches. It's packed with techniques that you'll use again and again in future quilts. The star in this quilt is made with half rectangle triangles, and I know that those can feel a little bit intimidating. The hardest part isn't the sewing of them, it's the trimming of them, and that's the part that continues to trip up quilters after quilters. It took me so long to get my head wrapped around them. So in this class, I'm going to show you the exact method I use. We'll prepare a ruler with a little washi tape, a few Sharpie dots, and once that's done, trimming half rectangle triangles becomes so much easier. It's a simple trick, but it's one that completely changed the way I make HRTs. And I think you're going to love this method. You're going to find it a lot more approachable, and you're just going to get it. I've been using this method for a year, and if you were with me in the old method of HRTs, you're going to find this one even better. We'll also piece a classic 9-patch center, assemble the quilt top one step at a time, and then we're going to move on to one of my favorite parts, the quilting. I'll show you how I plan the quilting before I ever start stitching, and then we'll free motion quilt the star, the background, and the borders together. I think seeing each section quilted separately helps take away a lot of that mystery and makes it feel a little bit more approachable. My goal with this class isn't just for you to finish a mini quilt. I want you to come away feeling confident about making half rectangle triangles and excited to use them in future projects. If that sounds like fun, I'd love to have you sew along with me on this mini quilt.